the most requested video I have ever received ever since I think I started my YouTube career, if ever I have a career. But anyway, yun, ito yung pinaka-requested na video na natanggap ko mula pa noon hanggang ngayon. So, finally, I'm doing this video and I will try not to blabber too much, pero as much as gusto kong bawasan yung pagiging madaldal ko sa video na to, I think I have to para maging informed kayo sa mga bagay na ginagamit ko and why I use it and so. So, for this video, I have two kinds of skincare products. I don't know how to describe it, pero may dalawang types akong ginagamit. First one is the whitening or lightening, and the second is the pore conditioning or the moisturizing na product. So, itong dalawang to, dito, ginagamit ko yung lightening or whitening whenever I have school. Kasi, tuwing may school yon, doon ako talagang, minsan pag tinatamad tayo magpayong, syempre, direct sunlight, natitirikan tayo ng araw, alam niyo na yon. So, nagiging uneven yung skin tone natin. I use whitening or lightening products to get rid, if not get rid, para mabawasan yung pagiging uneven ng skin tone ko. Alam niyo yung ganap na dito sa side na to, since may sleeves tayo, sa side na to, maputi, tapos dito hindi. Medyo, minsan nakakahiya, lalo na if you want to wear sleeveless kapag lumalabas tayo, you know the problem, yes, yun. Kaya gumagamit ako ng whitening to lessen or kahit papano, hindi masyadong mag-uneven yung skin tone. So, ayan. For the second one, I use the pore conditioning or the moisturizing whenever I'm in break. Like this one, like this month, I'm in break, June, July. So, yun mostly yung ginagamit ko, pore conditioning and moisturizing, yon. So, yan. So, ibabanggitin ko muna yung ways on how I use my products or yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng products. So, ayan, nilist down ko yung mga products. I mean, yung mga kailangan kong i-remind sa inyo sa video na to. And by the way guys, I am not assuring that everything I use will work on your skin too. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng skin type. Iba sa inyo normal, iba sa inyo super dry, iba sa inyo oily. Ako, I have an oily skin, as in super oily ako. But these past few days, hindi na masyadong nag-oil up yung face ko kasi hindi ko alam. Pag nag-oil ako, more on pag may school, kapag stressed ako yun, mas lalo ako nag-oil. Pero kapag I'm on a break, like this one, medyo nagto-tone down naman yung oiliness ng face ko. So now, I will start with the soap kasi I'm sure marami magtatanong sa inyo kung anong sabon yung ginagamit ko. For now, I'm using the Eco Skin Love Tomato Milk Bar Soap. Yan, yung ginagamit ko. And I'm really, really loving that one because it smells so good and at the same time, I can really feel my skin moisturized. Minsan, hindi na ako naglo-lotion kasi I know that my skin is surely moisturized with that soap since it's a milk soap. And pero not recommending na you don't use lotion because I always use lotion. Minsan lang guys, alam niyo na, nandito lang ako sa bahay, pag tinatawad ako, alam niyo na, gano'n. So I'm being honest with you guys ha. So ayun, but I'm really loving that one kasi it smells so good at the same time na talagang minsan ayoko cover up ng lotion yung scent ng sabon. So, ayan. I'm gonna pop up the picture of the soap I'm using dito sa screen. Yan. And for the whitening one, I've tried Glutasy. It really works for me. I use it with a lotion na Glutasy din. It really works for my skin. But now, I've been using Kojisan products. Yan. I'm using the Kojisan bar soap, which is the color orange. Yan. Next is facial wash. For the whitening, I use also the Kojisan. And for now, for the pore conditioning and moisturizing, I use the Pond's Acne Skincare Acne Skin Facial Wash. Yung kulay blue na 10 minutes blah. Yun yung nasa commercial ni Barreto, Julia Barreto. Yeah, that one. I'm using that one right now. Next is toner. So for toner, I'm using, for the whitening, I'm using this Kojisan Cleanser plus Toner Dual Action. Ito pag whitening, so yeah, for school, ginagamit ko siya. Nandito siya kasi minsan ginagamit ko yung Kojisan products like the lotion kapag lalabas ako. Ayan, ginagamit ko yung cleansing toner ng Kojisan for my whitening. And for my pore conditioning and for my moisturizing, Like, ngayon, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, both from Pond's. This is the Pond's Acne Clear for clear skin. Ito yung partner na yung facial wash na ginagamit ko ngayon. So, but I also use this one. This is the Pond's White Beauty Pore Conditioning Toner. Nagsiswitch up ako sa kanilang dalawa. But usually, I use this one pag may blemishes ako sa face or may dark spots and all that. Ginagamit ko siya pag may blemishes ako sa face or may damages ako sa face. And if wala naman, I'm using this one. This is the White Beauty Pore Conditioning Toner. It's good for dark spots. Kapag marami kayong dark spots and you don't have any blemishes as of the moment, magandang gamitin siya. So, ayan. Ito yung dalawang toners na ginagamit ko as of the moment. Next, we go to the serum. I only use one serum kahit nag-whitening ako or gumagamit ako ng moisturizing or pore conditioning products. And the serum I've been using right now is this Eco Skin Love Superior C Plus Radiance Vitamin C and Collagen Serum. So, ayan. This was sent to me by Eco Skin Love. Hi, Eco Skin Love and Miss Geraldine from Eco Skin Love. Ayan, I've been loving this one. You know why? Guys, sobrang bilis siyang mag-dry up sa face. And what I love the most is hindi siya sticky sa face. Lahat ng sticky sa face, I get rid of that. Kahit first time ko siyang gamitin and sobrang sticky niya sa face, hindi ko na siya gagamitin agad. Kasi, kasi yung feeling na sticky siya sa face, mas mabilis nag-oil up yung skin ko kapag ganun yung products na ginagamit ko. Kaya I really hate yung products na sticky. Yung face serum or yung face cream ng Kojisan, that one is sticky, hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Yan, hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Ang gagawin ko alternative for that is the Superior C Plus Serum from Eco Skin Love. I really love this one. And guys, ito yung binanggit ko sa Q&A ko na serum which helped the cream na ginagamit ko for my blemishes. Napabilis niya yung pag-lighten up ng dark spot. So yeah, this one. Also using the Eye White Facial Cream Whitening Vita. Ginagamit ko siya ngayon. And it leaves my skin kind of sticky with this one. Kaya ginagamit ko siya ngayon, not kapag may school ako. Kasi since nag-oil up na ako masyado pag nagsa-school ako, iniiwasan ko talagang gumamit ng sticky products. But for now, since my skin is a bit normal naman, kaya it's okay for me to use yung medyo sticky products. Pero ito, hindi naman siya sobrang sticky sa face. Ang gusto ko sa kanya, talagang whitening siya sa face talaga. As in, nag-whiten yung face nyo. And at the same time, it leaves my pores medyo nagdi-diminish or lumiliit yung pores ko whenever I use this one. I also like it kasi it has SPF 15 in it. So, ginagamit ko siya ngayon, lalo na kapag lumalabas ako ng bahay. Before putting on my makeup, I use this whitening facial cream. Next is sunblock. I only have one sunblock right here. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko tuwing nagsa-school ako and up to now. And it is the sunblock from Kojisan, which has SPF 50, PA+++, anti-UVA and UVB, Sun-Actil UVA Stress Cell Protection for the face. So, ito. Kundi lang yung sunblock na nakikita ko that reaches SPF 50. Mostly 30, ganun lang yung nakikita ko. And ito nga yung isa sa products na may SPF 50. It is a bit sticky for me, but my moisturizer helps out reduce yung stickiness ng sunblock. So, okay na rin siya sa face ko. Next is moisturizer. Also, I only have one moisturizer right here. Ito na yung ginagamit ko ever since. As in, ever since na na-discover ko siya, ito na yung ginagamit ko. I think I've been using this for 2 years straight na. Wala nang iba, guys. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko. And it is the Eye White Korea Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. Guys, gustong-gusto ko siya kasi ito nga yung nagpapareduce ng stickiness sa face ko pag gumagamit ako ng sticky product sa face. At the same time, it's water-based. It's like the serum I'm using. Sobrang bilis niyang mag-dry up. And walang stickiness sa face. Yun talaga yung mga gusto kong products kapag wala siyang nililieve na sticky feeling sa face. Yun. And it leaves a cooling sensation sa face nyo, kaya mafe-feel nyo yung hydrating effect niya sa face. So, yan. Next is the creams. I use these creams tuwing nighttime routine ko. And itong creams na to is for my blemishes and dark under eyes. under eye darkness, whatever yon. I'm using this one. This is from Quick FX. It's both from Quick FX. It is the Pimple Eraser and the Eye Lift Cream. So, yan, nabubulol na ako, kakasalita ako, pero ayan. Ito yung ginagamit ko. I've been using this for, ito kasi a year na. This one, a year. Ito, bago ko lang siya gamitin. Kaya, so far, it's effective for me. Nawawala na yung darkness ko under eyes ko. This one, I've been using for quite some time. Kaya, medyo nawawala na yung pagiging effective niya sa blemishes ko. Dati, sobrang bilis mag-dry up nung mga blemishes ko sa face. But recently, nag-breakout ako. Pag ginagamit ko siya, medyo hirap mag-dry up yung blemishes. But, thankfully, nag-send ng serum yung Eco Skin Love sa akin. This one, ito yung nag-help para mabilis yung pag-dry up ng blemishes ko with this cream. So, it still works, but it takes a little time. But, I think I need to try other pimple eraser products. And then, after that, balik ulit dito para mag-work ulit siya. Feel ko nahiyang na kasi yung skin ko dito. Kaya hindi na siya masyadong nag-work. But anyway, it still works for me. And siguro, some other people are using this one too. And it really works on your skin. Lalo na kapag bago niya siya gamitin and hindi nahihiyang yung face niya sa mga ginagamit yung products. So, ayan. Next products I'm gonna show you are the products na ginagamit ko for the maintenance of my skin. So, meaning yung mga products like face mask, mga ano ba, serum, iba pang serum, like for the eyelash serum and yung lip lighteners ko. So, to start, marami akong papakita sa inyong products right now. By the way, guys, yung products na ginagamit ko, I try to switch off every time na nauubos ko na sila. Lalo na sa whitening products, you guys. Kunyari, nabanggit ko kanina, I'm using Gluta-C, diba? Dati ginagamit ko siya for so many months. Tapos, pag nauubos ko siya, I switch off. Then, yung nag-switch off na ako, I use yung Koji Sun. So, ngayon, pag naubos ko na lahat ng Koji Sun products ko, I might switch up again to another whitening brand, or if not, I'm going back to Gluta-C. Then pag naubos ko siya, babalik ulit ako sa Koji Sun. In that way, mas nagiging effective yung mga products sa skin nyo kasi hindi siya nahihiyang. Since yung skin ko mabilis mahiyang, ganun yung ginagawa ko. And for the soaps then, it will be effective kapag nag-switch up kayo every now and then. Yan. Natutunan ko sa health class namin yan nung high school pa ako. So, there. So, going back to the facial mask I'm using, I have 3 facial masks. And every week, iba-iba yung facial mask na ginagamit ko, which I find really effective nga. And for that, I'm using this one. So, for the first facial mask, I use this Collagen by Watsons, which has intensive nourishing and firming rich lotion formula. So, yan yung isa. The next one is this Watsons Nail Lifting and Moisturizing Facial Mask. So, ayan. And lastly, the Whitening Pack Peel Up Mask from Eye White. Ito, matagal ko na din siyang ginagamit and I really love this one. Kaya up to now, I'm still using it. As you can see, gamit na siya. Ayan. As you can see, guys, yung mga facial mask na meron ako, iba-iba sila ng effect sa skin as per their description. Like, may nourishing and firming, merong moisturizing and lifting, and merong whitening. So, hindi ako kumukuha ng iba-ibang brands, pero at the same time has same effects based on their description. For me, mas magandang iba-ibang brand at the same time, iba-iba din yung nag-give nilang effect sa ating skin. So, this one, this 3, I find effective sa skin ko, kaya ito yung sinuswitch up ko. Every week, nagagamit ako ng facial mask. Next is the serum. I'm using this Eco Skin Love Eyelash and Eyebrow Serum. I've used this for a week before my surgery. Hindi ko pa siya ginagamit this week kasi ayoko muna ng anything na malapit sa eyes ko. Kasi pag nilalagay ko siya sa eyelash ko, dumidikit siya sa waterline. Kaya iniiwasan ko muna may dumikit sa waterline ko for now. But as soon as I get my tests done after a month, for sure, babalik at babalik ako dito. Although, a week ko pa lang siya ginagamit, I already saw the difference sa lashes ko. You know why? Meron akong hair sa lash na ayoko yung lugar niya. Dati nawala na siya, pero when I use this one, bumalik siya and sobrang haba niya sobrang haba niya agad sa lashes ko. Kaya I knew this one is really working on my lashes. So yeah, again, this is the Eco Skin Love Eyelash and Eyebrow Serum. Next product again is from Eco Skin Love. Guys, this is not a sponsored video by iWhite and by Eco Skin Love. Ito guys, talagang ginagamit ko and it really works on my skin. I'm really thankful na may mga brands like this one na really works sa mga skin type ng mga tao and not advertising it for the sake of having these products on the market and not for money. But I know they have these one para sa mga taong sensitive yung skin and wants organic, lalo na sa Eco Skin Love. And syempre yung sa iWhite, if you want to achieve yung Korean skin type, yun, at least it really works on my skin and tested siya ng maraming tao. Marami akong nakitang YouTubers na uses the iWhite products and with that, we can assure na iWhite really works on different skin types and different people as well, di ba? Ayokong mag-advertise ng products na hindi gumagana sa face ko kasi pag sinabi ko sa iba, baka mas maging worse pa yung effect niya, di ba? Ayoko namang mangyari yun. Ito talaga yung mga products na ginagamit ko na sobrang nagustuhan ko sila kasi iba talaga yung effect na binigay nila sa skin ko. So going back, so this is the Eco Skin Love Strawberry Lip Lightener. So this one I've compared with my Nivea Essential Care Lip Balm, whatever. Yun, kasi yung ganun yung kulay blue, yun. I also love that Nivea, pero it works kapag wala kayong dry patches sa lips. Kasi kapag naglagay kayo na may dry patches sa lips, parang mas lalo nagpipeel yung skin sa lips nyo, which I don't like. Kasi iniiwasan ko talagang peel kasi nagiging habit ko yung peeling ng lips ko, which is not good at all. So, ayun. Okay siya kapag walang dry patches. It leaves your lips moisturized. Pero kapag may dry patches kayo, I don't recommend putting that on kasi talagang lalo nagpipeel off yung skin. But, yeah, gusto ko siya as a moisturizing one, lalo na if walang dry patches. I'm reminding you guys. So, ayan. I love that one. I use that one pag walang peeling. But this one, the Eco Skin Love Lip Lightener, I use this as a lip balm. I really don't know what a lip lightener is, but I use this as a lip balm. And the thing I love with this one, kahit may dry patches kayo sa lips nyo, i-moisturize and at the same time, walang peeling ng skin na mangyayari. Pero parang na-exfoliate yung lips nyo. I mean, dry patches are there, they're peeling sa skin. Pero pag nilagay nyo siya, parang bumabalik yung skin sa lips nyo. And it's really smooth after putting this on. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya, lalo na pag gumagamit ako ng matte lipsticks. Kapag matte lipsticks, this one is the go-to lip balm before putting on any matte lipsticks. Kasi pag nilagay nyo siya, ng dry, syempre hindi naman kayo maglalagay ng matte na dry yung lips nyo kasi mag-show off lalo yung dry patches sa lips. So, I recommend putting on lip balm and I recommend this lip lightener from Eco Skin Love talaga. I mean, I really don't know how to explain it, pero this one is my go-to lip balm ever since they've sent me this one. Kasi guys, grabe, heaven sent tong lip lightener na to. So, ayan. Lastly, the products I'm gonna show you are my lotions, or the lotions I've been using tuwing mapasok ako sa school and hindi ako mapasok sa school. So, tuwing mapasok ako, I stick still with Kojisan and this is the Kojisan Body Lightening Lotion. Meron pa silang isang lotion, yung may SPF. Yeah, that one I use kapag lalabas ako ng condo or lalabas ako ng bahay. And this one I use kapag weekends and hindi naman ako lalabas ng bahay. So, ayan. I don't have that right now. Hindi ko siya nagdala dito. But anyway, I'm using that one up to now kapag lumalabas ako ng bahay. So, yan. So, this one, I use this one and also yung Bath and Body Works na lavender lotion. So, silang dalawa, alternate ko silang dalawa ginagamit lately. So, ayan. Ito yung ginagamit ko. It nourishes my skin and keeps my skin lightened. While yung Bath and Body Works ko lotion, it keeps my skin really, really moisturized. So, ito yung ginagamit ko these past few weeks. Yeah, these past few weeks. And for next month, for sure, for next month since school break pa. So, ayan. By the way, you guys, you must stay tuned on my Instagram account for Echo Skin Love, and I have collaborated for a giveaway just for you. So, you must first be a subscriber here on my channel, of course. Then next, follow me on my Instagram account to get updated kung na-post ko na yung picture. And then next is comment on that picture, I heart Echo Skin Love. And finally, you must follow Echo Skin Love's Instagram as well. So I will be posting Echo Skin Love's Instagram account down below the description box. And at the same time, posting their other social media accounts where you can follow them too. Ganun lang kadali yung mechanics. Just follow me on my Instagram account. Comment down, I heart Echo Skin Love on that post. And finally, follow Echo Skin Love on their Instagram account. So that's it, guys, for the products I use for my skincare routine. Sana kahit papano nakatulong ako sa mga taong siguro kahit papano same ng skin type like me, which is super oily. And for some, they're really curious of what products I am using on my skincare. There it is! Nalatag ko na lahat, guys. Yun lang yung products na ginagamit ko sa skin ko. And if I will switch up to new brands or new products on my skin, I will surely update you with my skincare routine and the products I use. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Don't forget to hit the like button and leave your messages at the comment section. If it's your first time watching my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get updated.